Hello guys, there is something new for you in this video and honestly I am so excited. I have tried this new brand called Red Wine on Myntra and I have ordered bunch of cotton style kurta sets from them and spoiler alert, I am in love with every single one of them. You know when you try something new and you are low-key nervous about the fit and quality? Yeah, same here. But this brand has surprised me in best possible way. The fabric feels so nice on the skin. Fit is flattering and comfy and vibe of each dress is just awesome. So in this haul, I am going to show you each piece one by one where I will talk about the special design features of that piece, how the fabric is, how it feels on the skin, how the fit is, and how I would style them. And of course, where you can wear that because we don't do boring here. So, alright, let's jump right in because seriously, I have some beautiful, cute looks to share with you in this video. So, let's start today's haul with this beautiful geometric printed cord set which is super breezy, super comfortable. It is giving that effortless desi elegance with the right touch of details to make it feel special. So it's a mid-length straight kurta. Kurta comes till your knee, slightly below the knee. It has clean V neckline, 3/4 sleeves. But what makes it pop? This beautiful white lace detailing, like it's there on the neckline, sleeve, even on the hemline there is a double lace detailing. It is not over the top, just delicate and pretty. So for the fabric, it is made in 100% cotton fabric, which means it is breathable and super soft on the skin, which is perfect for this weather. The fabric is light and airy but holds the shape well. I have ordered a size up in this because I wanted that relaxed, comfortable fit. But even if you go for your usual size, it will give a relaxed fit. And the best part, it comes with Afghani salwar instead of regular straight trousers, which makes it very comfortable to wear all day. It has elasticated waistband, which makes it super easy to wear. For the styling, I went with full desi glam but still kept it grounded with these oxidized jhumkas, this beautiful bracelet and this statement ring because we are keeping our jewelry game strong here. For the footwear, I wore my Jaipuri jutis because honestly, what is the better match for this cotton cord set? Now, where I'll wear this? Literally everywhere. For the chill day at home, for casual gatherings, or little festive get-togethers where you want to look cute but want to be comfy. So, how do you like this look? Would you try this brand and look? Tell me in the comments. This next look is for bold print lovers. This rust printed cotton cord set. It is a shirt style cord set and I am obsessed with this kurta because it has this beautiful shirt collar with button detail at the front. It has these 3/4 sleeves which are puff sleeves. You can see puff here and here, which is such a nice design detail. It comes with a rounded hemline which gives it a clean polished look, and the best part is it comes with a belt. So this is the belt. You can tie it at the front for this look or you can tie it at the back. The way I am tying, it gives the nice cinched waistline. But what makes me click add to the cart instantly is its print. It's loud, vibrant but not overwhelming. It makes you feel like you are owning the room without trying too hard. And like the first one, this also has the touch of white lace trim on the sleeve, on the hem of the salwar, which adds such a pretty contrast against the beautiful rust color of this dress. It is subtle but yet makes so much difference to the look. Now for the fabric, because it is 100% pure cotton, it is soft, breathable, very gentle on the skin, no see-through drama, just perfect for this summer season. This set comes with Afghan style salwar, which is not only stylish and trendy but super comfortable to wear in the summer. It has elasticated waistband, which makes it very easy to wear all day. Wanted to balance bold print of this kurta set with something softer, so I paired it with these beautiful tear-shaped earrings and this simple silver bracelet. For the little elevation, I picked up my chunky white heels, and I feel it is bringing the whole look together nicely. This outfit is perfect when you want to make statement without going OTT. It is perfect for casual brunches, a casual Friday at work, or even some small gatherings when you want to keep it fun but elevated. So, what do you guys think about this outfit? Would you like to buy it and wear it? Tell me in the comments. Okay, the next one, I love this look. This beautiful abstract printed cotton cord set honestly just screams summer. The colors are super cheerful. Like the moment I put it on, I was like, this is the mood. Because let's be real, summer is all about colors, and this pink tone set gets the assignment instantly. So let me break it down. The tunic has this clean round neckline with this beautiful pearl button and classic 3/4 sleeves. But the real star here is this handkerchief style asymmetric hemline, which gives the whole look such a chic and flowy vibe. That easy laid back grace but still looks super put together. Like you could wear this dress with minimal effort but still looks like you have tried, and I love that. Fabric, again pure cotton, which means soft, breathable, super airy, flowy, no stiffness at all. It comes with a simple straight cropped trousers with elasticated waistband, which means it is super comfy, very wearable, and keep you cool in hot summer days. For the styling, I just kept the color flowing with these beautiful matching earrings and these colorful wooden bangles. For that earthy touch, I add in my acrylic strap heels to bring in that modern edge. A little mix of desi and contemporary bring it all together so effortlessly. Where to wear this? Honestly, anywhere. It is one of those look cute but stay comfy looks, perfect for any daytime outing, lunch dates, or even vacation morning when you want to look vibrant without overthinking. Next one is this gorgeous blue cord set, and let me just say, this one is a whole vibe. It's got this really fresh indigo inspired print which just screams summer. Like it's calm, it's classic, it's make you feel instantly put together. Now let's talk about top. It is shirt style kurta with this beautiful lace detail at the front. It comes with 3/4 sleeves which also has cuff details which makes you look polished and elegant. If you are following me for a while, you know I am a sucker for this shirt style kurta because they are really versatile, right? You can dress it up or down instantly. You can wear them to work, to brunches, and they make you feel polished. Now it's made in pure cotton fabric, which means it is soft, breathable, comfortable, perfect for summer, airy, super versatile. I love these cotton pieces. It comes with Afghan style salwar, which I absolutely love because it gives such a nice volume and movement to the look. Plus it's elasticated waistband, so it is 10 on 10 on comfort. For the styling, I went with silver jewelry, these silver earrings and matching bracelet, and I slipped on my silver thong style heels because I wanted to keep the look sleek and coordinated. This one is perfect for so many occasions. You can wear it to work if you are into creative space, casual Fridays, or daytime events. Last look. We are ending this haul with soft and serene note with this soothing green color floral printed cord set. It is like a deep breath in outfit form. It is super relaxed, super wearable, yet so pretty. Tunic has simple V neckline and slightly flared 3/4 sleeves, but what makes it special is this lace detail around the neckline and sleeves. It's subtle, it's delicate, it adds that quiet kind of sophistication that I love. You can tell it's thoroughly designed because overall vibe of this dress is relaxed, still it feels elevated. The A-line flare of the kurta gives the gentle flow when you walk, and it paired beautifully with Afghan style salwar. Again, salwar is elasticated, which means full 100 on comfort level. The whole set moves so beautifully, you feel like you can wear it all day without fuss. For the styling, I kept everything light and golden with gold accessories, these earrings and this bracelet, and I tied whole look together with my white color flats with golden chain detail. This outfit for slow days, for relaxed lunches, for the grocery runs when you want to look nice, even for travel days when you want to look stylish without compromising on comfort. That's a wrap for this wine red haul. I didn't expect to like every single piece, but here we are. All the sets are breathable, well made, and had those little design detail which takes a look up a notch. And now let me know in the comments which one was your vibe and which are the pieces you are going to add into your cart. If you like hanging out with me, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you super soon with another styling story.